Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix contacts not syncing on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sync contact account and you will see if you want to sync account, so turn on this button. After turn on this button and click on sync. After click on sync, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to again app library and you will check your internet connection is worked properly and check internet connection from here. After check internet connection, you will see internet connection is worked properly, but your problem is not solved. Restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up down button at the time and you will see click on restart and restart phone from here. Again tap on restart, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app and click on general management and reset all settings. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix contacts not syncing on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.